It's news time. Information is power. Be current. The news headline: 924 million naira debt. Court orders Kanu to pay 30,000 naira fine for stalling proceeding. Justice Chukwuejuku Aneke of a Federal High Court sitting in Lagos Federal on Friday ordered the former Nigerian international football player Kanu and his hotel Adley apartment to pay 30,000 naira fine for stalling the scheduled hearing of debt recovery suit brought against them by the Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria, AMCON. AMCON had dragged Adley apartment, its directors Ayola, Gam-Ikon, and Kanu before the court over alleged debt of 924.7 million naira. At the hearing of the matter, Adley apartment and Kanu's lawyer, T.E. Idiligbagbo, told the court that she is withdrawing all motions earlier filed in response to the suit in 2017. AMCO's lawyer, J.S. Uja, while objecting to Idiligbagbo's request, sought for imposition of fine on the respondent for filing frivolous motions. He said he had already filed his response to the processes sought to be withdrawn. The lawyer also asked the court to dismiss all new processes filed by the respondent on the grounds that they contain facts that were earlier admitted to. After listening to the submissions of parties, Justice Aneke, while conceding to the respondent's request for withdrawal of the motions, also slammed a fine of 30,000 naira on them for stalling further hearing in the matter. The judge ordered Kanu and his hotel to pay the money before January 28, 2022, when further hearing in the matter is expected to resume. AMCON had in 2015 dragged Adley apartment, its directors Gam-Ikon and Kanu before the court in its bid to recover alleged debt owed a bank. In an affidavit in support of the suit deposed by a credit officer, Victor Igabo, AMCON said that May 2008 and January 2011, the bank offered Adley apartment a loan of 520,457,000 naira. It alleged that the hospitality firm based in Victoria Island, Lagos, could not repay the loan, and the respondent's indebtedness as at October 15, 2021 was said to be 924,788,754 naira 56 kobo, representing principal and interest. In December 2015, following AMCON's application, Justice Okon Abang granted an order freezing the account of the former Super Eagles captain and Adley's apartment. AMCON, which brought over the loan, told the court that if the restraining order was not granted, the company's assets could be dissipated. The order, which was to subsist pending the determination of the suit, followed AMCON's bid to recover the debt. However, following the transfer of Justice Abang to another jurisdiction of the court, the matter was said to have been reassigned to Justice Aneke. And this is the news by Vanguard NG, talking about Kanu, that is Kanu Nwako, who is actually a football player of Nigeria, and his hotel, who has been said to have been dragged to Adley apartments to pay a sum of 30,000 naira fine because they are about to stall a hearing of a debt recovery suit brought against them by one Asset Management Corporation of Nigeria, which is said to be around 924.7 million naira. And for this reason, the court had actually ensured that Kanu Nwako and his hotel, Adley's apartment, would actually be repaying a sum of 30,000 naira because they want to withdraw some suits that they had already filed before now, before the court, of which Justice Abang was in charge of the case before she was transferred to another jurisdiction of the court, and the matter being reassigned to the new judge, that is Judge Abang, who has now charged Kanu a sum of 30,000 naira for the case, to for fining them 30,000 naira because they want to stall the process, and refile some new evidences again. Also, Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho have been said to listen as Yemi Osinbajo speaks on national unity. The federal government, led by President Muhammadu Buhari, is said to have been working hard in making sure that the unity in Nigeria is maintained. And recently, Vice President Professor Yemi Osinbajo called for considered effort on the part of elite, political and religious leaders to work towards promoting the unity of Nigeria. Osinbajo made the call during a public presentation of a book written by retired Major General Pat Nkem Vinjira titled Winning Leadership on Friday in Abuja. Osinbajo said that the book came at such an auspicious time when the nation was confronted with unique challenges that demanded new paradigms in leadership. Meanwhile, Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho have been seeking the division of Nigeria without knowing that Nigeria cannot divide, and Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and the founder of Eastern Security Network, ESN, while Sunday Igboho is the advocate of Yoruba Nation. Nevertheless, Nnamdi Kanu and Sunday Igboho has been urged by this writer